Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it'll be a little bit short. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I pack 5 outfits, 3 pair of pajama sets, 2 pair of shoes, and some key essential makeup items into a small underseat / carry-on luggage bag. So if you're like me and you tend to overpack, I guarantee you're gonna probably love this luggage and do a little bit more overpacking too. You can slide that in there. So stay tuned for some of these tips.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Here's a view of the bag I'm going to be taking on the plane. I either fly it with Southwest Airlines or Spirit without a problem. I'm going to post a link in the description box below to this bag. It has this really long handle in case you want to roll the bag instead of carrying it. But if you do prefer to carry the bag, it has those straps on it already. And here is a quick view of all the items I'm trying to put into this suitcase, including 2 pair of shoes, which I'm going to show you how I pack it. The third one, and then I have a long strappy dress. I got 2 pair of pajamas that I'm gonna roll up also and then throw them all into the bag. And these are the 2 little essential items I'm gonna use for my makeup. I got this Ziploc bag with my foundation, concealer, setting spray, mascara, just simple stuff. And then a few extra things like my powder and some more brushes into this bag that I got from Shein. So I'm gonna reuse these bags. I always like to carry at least 1 pair of heels whenever I'm going out of town. Plans change all the time, so it's good to be safe and just carry a pair of heels in case you need to dress up your outfit a little bit more. And then I have some sandals because I'm going somewhere warm. And I just wrapped it in this baggie that it came in because it just limits the amount of dirt exposure in your suitcase. And it's just a little bit safer to do that before putting your clothes on top of it. So I'm going to zip this part up and then put my clothes on top of the suitcase. All right, now it's time to start putting all of these items into this suitcase. So I'm starting with rolling all of the jeans that I'm going to be packing up because they're a little bit bulkier. So I'm going to start with those just to get those out of the way and put them on one side. So I have all of my tops, the bulky hoodie at the bottom. I have all of my tops on this side, and then I have all of my jeans in any type of bottom I'm gonna wear on this side of the suitcase. For my ladies who need to carry bras on their trips like me, I like to take 2 just to be safe. So I have 1 strapless and 1 regular bra. And if you have a really good bra that you want to protect, the best thing for me is to just press it on the side of the suitcase so that any of the heavier items doesn't damage your bra. I almost forgot. I decided to pack 2 swimming suits into the suitcase last minute in case I decide to go swimming on my trip. No big deal. So I have 2 pair of shoes at the bottom, and then I have all of my outfits packed at the top of the suitcase right now. So next I'm going to start packing my makeup into these compartments here next. Because we're packing smart, I'm going to be wearing my gym shoes to the airport so that I won't have to stuff it into my suitcase. So this is how my suitcase is looking with my makeup packed in it. All of my clothing items are in here. I low-key still have a lot of more room. Doesn't look like it, but I don't need to pack anything else that I don't need. I'm only 5'2". All of my clothing sizes are mediums or larges, depending on what it is. And my shoe sizes are 6. So it's really just about strategizing exactly what you need based on your own body types and sizes and figuring out what other essential items you may need. Go ahead and zip it up. And it zips up pretty easily. I still have a lot of more room. I can fit way more stuff in here too. Last but not least, I'm going to be packing up my toiletry items. So I have my travel size deodorant, perfume, some extra toothbrushes, and then I have a few towels just to be safe. And then I'm going to be packing up my lotion and shampoo travel size bottles. So I decided to put my lotion and my shampoo containers right next to my makeup because why not? I still had more room inside of my suitcase, so I just decided to do that. And then next, I'm going to be packing up my deodorant and my perfume on the outside compartments of the suitcase. So at the front of the bag, I'm gonna put my perfume and my deodorant up in here. Go ahead and zip that right back up. Just to be safe and as clean as possible, I sanitize the inside of my suitcase before entering in my toiletry items. As a safety precaution for hygienic purposes, it's always good to do that before entering in like my toothbrush like I did in this video and other toiletry items. Look at how much I can fit in this suitcase. It still has a lot of travel and airspace left, which is what I love when I'm traveling with this. It makes it so much easier. The final thing I'm going to be doing is inserting these reusable Shein bags that I love. I like to separate the clothes that I have worn on vacation, put them in these bags just to separate them from the clean clothes in my suitcase. So this is just an extra measure of security for myself to make me feel comfortable when traveling. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm going to put the link for this particular suitcase in the description box below, so take a look at that and let me know about y'all travel experiences. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.